Hello everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and now Diwali is coming, so I have 5 special rituals for all of you here during this Diwali, and these 5 rituals will be done by me on the coming Friday, Saturday and Sunday, that is from Dhanteras to the Sunday, and I shall explain all the 5 in one video because my plan is to upload it in YouTube. And one more thing, let me tell you all, I will only take selective numbers and I will not be able to take more than that because most of you all know I had some health issues, so I have not been spending much time on all this. And specifically the Diwali rituals need a lot of chantings and energizing and everything. So let me start with the first one. This is the major one which I'll be doing. The rest are all small simple ones. This Diwali first ritual is we'll have 2 potli bags. Okay, I will open and show you all what will be there also for you all to get an idea. It will have 2 potli bags. It will have 2 these type of bottles, and it will have these specific cones. Now these cones I have made a mix of it and put inside, if you all see. Now these cones you will have 5 in each, 5 in this color and 5 in black color. I will tell you all the usage also when you pick the things, but first let me tell you all what this kit will have. So coming to the thing, the pink potli will have certain colored threads. Okay, now these are green, blue, black, yellow, red, and it has one more, the lotus wick. So when you pick the kit from me, after I energize it for these 3 days, I will tell you all which day which color wick has to be used and what is the purpose behind that. And there is this Ashtalakshmi ji ka diya, the Ashtalakshmi lamp inside this. Okay, now this lamp has all the 8 Lakshmi ka thing, and this is called as a Kuber Lakshmi lamp. I will tell you in this which wick has to be put on which day and which oil for that respective wick. That is the main thing, which is the speciality here. And I have also gotten an Ashtalakshmi with a Shri Yantraka stand, which I will be, you will keep it in front of your Lakshmi ji, and I will tell you again how to use this when you pick it up, when I am energizing and sending. And there is a Merkaba and a Ganesha inside this, the crystal. Okay, now apart from that, I will be energizing and sending you all 4 specific yantras. The yantras will be energized and sent. There are 4 yantras in this totally, which will be there. So this is one pouch, okay, which will be a part of this. This is the mega Diwali pack, or the mega abundance prosperity ritual, which I will name it as. So it's called as a mega abundance Diwali prosperity ritual. Okay, now that will come along with that. This will come in this. There are certain crystals, cowries, and 3 special types of herbs. That is what this will have. And this is a money resin which I have made. It's a green colored resin, money resin. And this is a multi-colored resin. This is more like I had made this for the combination of Archangel Michael. And as I said, 5 of this and 5 of this. Now what you do is you burn these. When I send you, I will tell you the usages of that, and I'll tell you which day you'll have to burn these ones also. There are specific days for burning these 10 sets. So the purpose is that you start using this kit from now on, so that your year, the 2021 which comes with loads and loads of blessings and loads of blessed abundance. And so once we burn this and we keep this, what we will do is, I will tell you which day to use this and I will tell you which day to use this. You just open the cork, okay, and you don't take much, you just take 2 pellets of this. Okay, only 2 pellets of this will be taken, not much, and you will add it to your incense. That is it. Not more than 2 pellets, only 2 pellets will be added, because I want you all to use this bottle for quite some time, as I said, at least for the year to come. So this is one thing, and this one when you have to burn, I will tell you all. So with that, this is one. This whole kit I have priced at 5,555, and I will be only making 10 sets of this, not more than 10. So only the first 10 people who book this will be getting this one from me. So this is one. Now coming to the next one. So that is over. That is ritual number 1, which is over. Ritual number 2, which I am making. This is an amazing concept of a kajal brought by me, but this kajal is not used in the eyes. I just hope you're able to see it. This is not used for the eye. This is used for your third eye, or you will have to apply it here a little bit. Now this is more like helping you to achieve success and to keep negative people away from you. And this will help you in making your day fruitful, making your day successful. And with this I will be sending you the Lord Kartikeya ka weapon. This is called as the veil here down south. I'll be sending this one. Now these are chanted with a lot of mantras. Don't think this to be a Vashikaran related stuff. I had thought of Vashikaran related stuff during my Diwali workshop, but this is more of attaining name, fame and success and to be powerful. And this you will carry it with you. This one thing you will carry it with you for you people to be protected from negativity. So you will get one bottle. The bottle will not be full. The bottle will be half, but this bottle will come for you for nearly if you use it every day also 6 months to 8 months it should come. And application, everything I'll be telling you all. Now this also I'm going to only do for 10 people, not more than 10 people, because these need literally 1008 times chanting of 5 different mantras. So this also I will be sending only for 10 people, and the pricing for this is 1111. 1111. That's the second one. Now the third one is this Ganpati, which will be energized, programmed. It's a jade, it's a pure jade Ganpati, which will be energized, programmed, and we will be chanting some mantras and doing some abhishekam on this and then sending it to you. And I'll be sending it to you with these two special powders. One is the Vibhuti powder and one is the Kumkum powder. If you see here, I have already made this here. Now we are mostly programming, energizing this powder for most of the rituals. So this will be sent, but this I am doing only for 5 people, because now in this 1008 times of each mantra, and we have 11 mantras for each Ganesha that we are doing. So I will not be able to do for more than 5 people. So only 5 people, and this is priced at 3,333, 3333. Now coming to the next one. Now I have finished the Kajal, I have finished the Mega Prosperity bundle which I was saying, and I have finished the Ganesha. So 3 is over. Now the fourth one is this. Okay, now this basically, this will be the yantra which will be energized and programmed for you all. It will have the same kumkum and vibhuti also. Okay. Now apart from that, I'll be sending you 3 black cowries and 3 the normal cowries. With this, either you will get the Moti Shank or you will get the Mahalakshmi Shank. Now this depends on what I am guided to send after I get the details from you people. So once I feel okay, this is what I need to send, then I will send it. So one of this is what will come, both will not come, and this is priced at 2,222. And again, this I will be doing for 10 members. So the mega bundle and this one I will be doing for 10 members, but the Kajal and the Ganpati will be only for 5 members each. So this is ritual number 4. Now how do you use this? Once I send this to you, you can keep this in your cash box, or you can frame it and put it in your hall or in the Kubera corner of your house for money flow to come. And for this I will send you a specific way of setting this up in your hall and how to attract abundance through this. Okay, so that's your the fourth one. Now the last one which I am doing this time for Diwali ritual is the combination of these 3 shanks. Okay, this is a very amazing powerful shank. This is called as the black shank, which is beautifully used for protection, for blessings of Hanumanji. Hanumanji ka there is a Dandayut shank also, but this is for protection. This is for bringing a lot of negativity removal from the house, blockages removal in the house. And this is a shank which is for either an unmarried person to attract marriage proposals, or this can also be worked for bringing in or enhancing relationship at home. And this one is basically, I will tell you all what you should put in this and keep when you pick this from me, and I will tell you all how to use this. Now these shanks will be energized, programmed and sent by me with a specific combination of a spray, which you will be spraying this regularly and keeping it in a place where I am saying, because if it is for marriage to happen, then it's a different way where you keep it, and for existing relationship to be good and harmony to be there in the family, then there's a separate way of using it. And this is also priced at 1,111 for the clients, and this again I will be doing only for 10 people. So let me repeat, the first one, the potli, the mega potli, is for 10 people. The yantra, the third one which I had, the fourth one which I had shown is for 10 people, and this is for 10 people, wherein the Ganesha and the Kajal will be for 5 people. I think we are already nearing Dhanteras, so when you see this video, see to it that you book it immediately. I will tell you what details you need to send me. So book it immediately so that you don't get disappointed, and may God may Goddess Mahalakshmi bless you all with the abundance and a prosperous Diwali. And as I said, I'm very sorry this time I will not be able to take more than the number of rituals that I'm saying, because I will not be able to concentrate that much. So may Goddess Lakshmi bless you all with loads of happiness, prosperity, and loads of blessings from me also for this Diwali. Have a beautiful, happy, and prosperous Diwali, all of you all. Good luck. Thank you.